This is a video about the XR movement, encompassing extended reality technologies like augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, MR, has surged into mainstream relevance, transforming how we interact with digital environments. In a crowded field of acronyms and tech jargon, one concept is emerging as the emotional and practical anchor: vision helpers. These are not just devices or platforms. They're tools of empowerment, designed to enhance how people see, navigate, and engage with the world around them. At its core, XR is no longer just about immersive gaming or futuristic simulations. It's increasingly being used to support individuals with visual impairments, offering real-time enhancements, spatial awareness, and contextual cues that restore independence and confidence. Whether it's smart glasses that read text aloud, overlay directions, or identify faces, the technology is evolving to serve as a digital companion, one that helps people see what they otherwise couldn't. This shift toward vision assistance is reshaping the narrative around XR. Instead of being defined by novelty or entertainment, it's being redefined by purpose. The term vision helpers captures this beautifully. It's simple, human-centered, and universally understood. It speaks to the heart of what XR can do: extend not just reality, but dignity, mobility, and connection. As the XR space continues to expand, the most meaningful innovations will be those that prioritize accessibility and inclusion. Vision helpers are leading that charge, offering a clear and compassionate direction in a sea of acronyms. They remind us that technology's greatest triumph isn't complexity, it's clarity. And in that clarity, lives are changed.